So allegedly, us as content creators on TikTok in South Africa, we are not getting paid on TikTok. We are not allowed to monetize on TikTok. We don't know what's the problem. So I saw some videos on TikTok saying that on the 1st of September, we should boycott us as influencers, like deleting the TikTok app. Yeah, making it stay like that. We should focus on other platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and all of that. Instagram, we are coming for you too. Yes, now I agree with this, because like, imagine we buy data to post. Even they are not paying us, these people, but the views are very less. At least if they're not paying us, at least the views should be out there. We can know how to market our things out there. Understand? Tell me if I'm wrong, guys. What's your take on this? Please comment in the comment section. Let us know. Like, we want to change it. Like, as a country, like, when the content. So we need money for surgeries to bring back our hairlines. Reimage as South Africa. TikTok, we've been with you for the past few years, eh? We've been loyal to you, man. But what you're doing is not doable. Like, you're really promoting our proximity. I stand with people who are boycotting on the 1st of September. I will be part of those people. Thank you.